LOOI aims to transform your smartphone into a desktop robot companion. Here's a breakdown of its features, potential benefits, and drawbacks to help you decide if it's worth exploring. Features: smartphone integration. LOOI ingeniously utilizes your smartphone as its brain. Simply attach your phone to the robot, and it becomes the central processing unit. The MagSafe feature ensures a secure hold for both iPhone and Android devices. Motion and interaction. LOOI can move its head and potentially interact with its environment through sensors. AI and voice control. LOOI may possess some level of AI, allowing voice interaction and potentially responding to prompts or questions. Facial recognition and object identification. Thanks to your phone's camera and processing power, LOOI can recognize faces and identify objects. It's like having a mini AI assistant right on your desk. Additional functionalities. The information available suggests functionalities like capturing photos, videos through gestures, acting as a wireless charger, and providing reminders. Here are some of the pros and cons of the LOOI. Pros: novelty and fun. Increased engagement. Potential for automation. Cons: limited information. Uncertain practicality. Potential privacy concerns. Cost and availability. Overall, LOOI presents an intriguing concept with the potential to add novelty and engagement to your desktop experience. However, the lack of detailed information about its functionalities, practicality, and potential drawbacks makes it challenging to definitively recommend it. It's crucial to conduct further research and wait for more concrete details before making a purchase decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.